Welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys are watering your plants in this hot summertime. It's probably one of the most important things to do in the summer, especially if you are in like Southern Cal like I am. You probably need to water at least twice a day, your plants will tell you if you're gonna need that extra watering. So this is kind of time that you really want to pay close attention. Now, if you're on vacation, totally different story. You probably need someone to come in and help you monitor your plants just occasionally, or you have cameras like I do. You can actually spot one. I have a canary plant that helps me indicate that either a watering system's gone down or something's going wrong. I can call someone in, like Big Joe can come in, kind of check my system out pretty quick. And then you probably, again, want to hand water your trees, at least visit your tree at least once a day, trying to see any hot spots, any spots, things that's gone wrong while you're watering, especially if you're home. Okay? Now, if you're wondering why I have really inconsistent updates, is the last year I've been working on another credential to teach computer science for the middle school and high school kids. So I've been really not involved in the bonsai community as much as I want to, just because I was working on that credential. That's done. And the last month I just kind of took it off from bonsai. I just need a time away from just everything, just updating. But I've been kind of keeping up with my trees as best I could, so you can see kind of behind me what's going on. But I hope you guys still like what's going on. So here are some events coming up the month of July, the rest of July here, August, and then it's upcoming. So kind of bear with me. Let me get my notes out here. So coming up this Thursday, the 17th, Cesar Ordonez from the Central Valley or Fresno area. He's coming down. He is our CBS guest artist of the month, or the quarter in this case. He's doing a workshop on olives. There is a workshop that's coming up. I think it's sold out already for our bonsai club. So you might want to look at other clubs in Southern Cal, see if he has any availability. Not this Saturday, but the following Saturday, on the July the 26th. Geez, this is my I'm hosting this party. It is Christmas in July here at the Lao residence. You guys are all invited. Make sure you guys RSVP to Shirley. Dinner starts around 5 o'clock ish. Of course, we're going to open up the place a little earlier if you guys want to jump in the pool, kind of hang out and talk bonsai if you like. And then of course we have our famous white elephant exchange. Starting around 7 o'clock, trying to get everybody out before 9. These games are pretty vicious. If you've been here before, you understand what we're talking about. It's a really fun time to really let your hair loose and really enjoy yourself in the summertime with our club. Of course, that's the 26th of July. Then Monday, the 28th, Tokutake, he's doing a Golden State Bonsai Federation, video series online on YouTube. You do not miss him. He's actually that famous potter. I have a couple of his pots back here. And he is from the Portland area or the Pacific Northwest. Just really good pottery work. Really interesting glaze. Did find out he is actually a materials engineer for one of those big tech companies up there. Really interesting background. Hope you see you guys there online. Now in July, we're in August now. August 2nd, Ventura Botanical Gardens having the 4th annual bonsai exhibition and demonstration from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the Botanical Gardens in Ventura. I'll leave a link right here, or not link, I'll leave a flyer right here so you can see what's going on. And of course, Saturday the 16th, Kofukai annual benefit auction. It's going on. I don't have a flyer for them, but when I get one, I'll post one in the link somewhere, either in the description below or somewhere right here. But yeah, I'll ask the people will be there, Kofukai, and see if they give me some more information about that, what's going on. Also that weekend, on Saturday and Sunday, August 16th, 17th, the John Naka Memorial Exhibition and Bonsai Show is happening at the JLACC in downtown LA. Hope to see you guys there. It is a jury exhibition where trees are submitted and they're selected to get really good showcase about what we have in Southern Cal. So you guys are all invited there. I'll probably be showing up a little earlier on Saturday to kind of do the background film. If you can't make it, I'll probably post that on YouTube for you people there. And last but not least, I got some more. For August, this is actually for August, Saturday and Sunday, August 23rd and 24th, Redwood Empire Bonsai Society is having their annual show in, not Santa Rosa, but Ronhert Park, California. And I'll leave a little flyer right here for you guys. That ends our things for July and August, if I don't get back for August for you guys. But here's some other coming events for September, October, and our next show coming up, our 61st show that's coming up here. So Lea Rega Foundation, Saturday, September 14th, and September 14th, deadline for the scholarship is due, so make sure you guys submit a scholarship for you people there. And of course, on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, October 26th, 25th, and 26th, the Golden State Bonsai Federation is having their Bonsai Rendezvous at Mission del Oro in Centinela. So please register. Registration should be live at this point, and the one-day tickets should be live also if you have not picked up one of those one day. And there are some openings. They're sporadic, but if you have a chance to go, it's a great opportunity for you to learn, meet people, and actually go shopping if you haven't done that. And then last but not least, Saturday, Sunday, January. It's January. We're talking about 2026. January 17th, 18th, 2026. Baikoen is having our annual 61st annual Winter Silhouette Show in the LA Arboretum. You guys are all invited. And we'll have our trees in its winter silhouette or this leafless form. Again, you guys are all invited for that one. So put those in your calendars, remind yourself trying to show up. Again, if you guys can't make that show, I'll probably put it on YouTube for all you people out there. And again, just a reminder for coming up in July, we have Cesar Ordonez coming up for Olive in this Thursday, the 17th. Christmas July on July 26th. Here at the Lao Resident Fleece RSVP. And then in July, of course, we have now at July the 28th on YouTube. On that, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Pretty busy. If you guys, the sun is really in my eyes, isn't it?